Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a landing page on Shopify so you can highlight products, run promotions, or build your email list. Start by going to your Shopify admin and click on Online Store, then Pages. Click Add Page to create a new one. Give your page a title and write your content in the editor. You can add images, videos, and call to action buttons right here to make your landing page engaging. For a more customized look, you can use your theme's built-in page templates. In the theme section, click Customize, then navigate to your new page to edit its layout. Add sections like slideshows, featured products, or testimonials to make your landing page more convincing. If you want even more control, consider adding a landing page app like Shogun or Pagefly from the Shopify App Store. These drag and drop builders let you design beautiful pages without coding and give you more flexibility without layouts and design elements. Once you're happy with your landing page, click Save and copy the page link to share it in your ads, emails, or social media posts. Your new landing page is now live and ready to convert visitors into customers. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify guides to grow your business.